Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can buy Robux using your Visa gift card. So first thing that you should know is that you have to go to the website or phone number printed on your Visa gift card and you have to activate it online. And then once you are done, you can now log into your Roblox account, then use a web browser, PC or mobile. So after that, you just have to go ahead and tap on the Robux icon at the top. That's right. And then you'll be able to see here now your balance in Roblox. So here, for example, we want to purchase this Robux. Okay, so simply tap on it. That's right. And then here for the payment method, you just have to choose add card option. Okay, simply tap on this one. So after that, you have to pick the credit or debit card. So sometimes under an other section on the payment screen. And then here, you just have to enter the Visa gift card number, the expiration date, and the CVV and the billing address you have registered. So just have to complete the purchase. And if everything matches and there's enough balance, including any taxes, so the purchase should go through and your Robux will be added to your account. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.